Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essential prerequisites. Make sure Tor browser is updated and your OS network stack is stable. Once done, disconnect VPNs or system proxies so Tor can try a direct connection. Open Tor browser, then open Settings and the Network or Proxy section. You need to confirm it's set to no proxy or system proxy as intended. Meanwhile, find your torrc file in the browser/tor directory. You will edit it in the next step to remove forced proxy directives and clear stale configuration. Now you edit configuration and validate connections. Open torrc with a text editor and comment out or delete any HTTP proxy or HTTPS proxy entries. Those force Tor to use a proxy and cause refusals. Next, verify SOCKS port and control port are correct and not blocked by firewall rules. Change to a default if unsure. Save, then restart Tor browser and run Tor's config verification or review Tor. Log for bind or permission errors. If an OS firewall blocked the port, allow the Tor executable or open the specific port. Finish by testing connectivity. Open the circuit display or visit a lightweight onion address to confirm Tor build circuits. If Tor still reports the proxy server refusing connections, reset the Tor browser data directory, or perform a clean reinstall to remove persistent misconfigurations. Make sure to verify system-wide proxy settings and any corporate or ISP network filters that might intercept Tor traffic. Those are common culprits. If problems persist, capture Tor. Log and note exact error lines. That information tells you whether it's a port, bind, or authentication refusal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.